morning, YouTube. Welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you back in my kitchen. Need to grab my oxygen. I was just up getting a cup of coffee, so I can tell that I do need my oxygen back on since I'm going to be talking. So, today is a very important day. First, let me show you my outfit. So this was a Temu dress. I really love it. I have nothing like this in my closet. It was under $10. It fits great. It feels great. I'm really happy with it. But yes, today's a very special day. I am being transported to Astoria Place. It is a nursing facility, but it is a very upscale nursing facility. So I think my experience this time is going to be very different. This time I know that I'm going. I have my stuff packed and ready to go that I want to take with me. So I'll have my laptop, I'll have my phone and my tablet. I have the coloring books and pencils that Tackling the Giants sent me. And also one of my other Facebook friends sent me. I'll be taking puzzle books and things to do, so I think this will be a very different experience. So I am excited to be getting some extra help. Today is actually a pretty good day. Whatever it is that's in my bladder that was blocking my kidney functions the last couple days has moved to a different location. The urine is flowing now. My bag was full when I emptied it this morning. The color was almost back to normal. The swelling in my ankles has went down significantly. So today's a good day. So I will take that because I never know when that's going to shift back into place and send me back into acute kidney failure again. So we're going to take that. So I even have my morning coffee. I haven't had coffee in the last 3 days because I just felt too bad to make it. Oh, that tastes so good. So, aside from the sores in my mouth and being short of breath, I think today's going to be pretty good. So yeah, they're coming at 2:30 to pick me up. I have a friend coming out this morning, the same friend who fixed my spare bathroom and cleaned all the mold up on my porch and fixed my air conditioner, is coming out to look at my non-working washing machine. I think all that happened is the belt slipped off of it, so I think the belt just needs to be put back on. So he's coming out anytime to look at my washing machine. So I'll be glad to have a working machine again. Yes, I did get some good sleep last night, but man, what a storm we had yesterday evening. I was scared. The power kept going out. I kept my phone and my headlamp. I have one of these that I got from my diamond paintings. There's actually, let me see if I can find it. These magnifying things that clip onto here, and you can wear it on your head over your glasses. So I use this when I do my diamond painting, but I actually kept this with me last night, so if the power went out, I would have both hands to use my walker to get to my power bank and my emergency radio that has the good flashlight on it. There was a lot of thunder. The lightning actually was going through the house. At times my house shook from the thunder and from the lightning. I didn't know lightning could make a house shake, but it did last night. It was actually worse last night than Hurricane Idalia. So that hurricane was nothing compared to the storm last night that we had, and the thunder and lightning went on for hours. It was still lightning off in the distance when I finally went to bed. I'd never seen anything like it. So we're under a severe storm watch. I actually get updates from the older automated updates from the sheriff's office that we were under a severe thunderstorm warning and a flood warning. It was raining that hard. And we're also still under a severe storm risk for today through tomorrow night. And I do have a headache this morning, so I think something's coming again tonight. But luckily tonight I will not be by myself. There will be help if I need it. Another sip of coffee. That is really, really good coffee. The Amazon Colombian dark roast is really good. I highly recommend it. It's very affordable. They usually run it on sale on Amazon Prime days. You can get over 100 K-cups for less than $25, so it's a really good deal. So I'm just beyond excited for this move into respite care. I think this is the right thing to do at the moment. I actually get 14 days of respite care a month from hospice, so that's really good. Anytime my sister is really busy, has a really busy week, or wants to do a quick out-of-town trip, I can go into hospice care for I think it's like 14 days or something like that. So I think this was a wise thing to do. Even though right now I'm doing pretty good, I just never know when my kidney's gonna get blocked. I really think there's a tumor inside my bladder. I think it's either from the kidney cancer that I had back in 2009, because some of that had leaked out into the fatty area around the bladder, and they hold on, I got a phone call. Okay, that was actually my social worker calling. I think we got everything straightened out. But yeah, I'm just really excited for today. I think this is going to be a much better experience. Okay, let me try this one more time. My social worker is going to be calling me back. So I'll probably have to stop this again at some point, but yeah, and I now just got a phone call from one of those annoying little pests that keeps wanting to buy my property. I am just so fed up with those calls. I actually had someone text me at 2:30 in the morning telling me that they were sitting outside my property and wanted to talk to me about buying it. I was so freaking mad. I, I just texted them back and said I am going to check now, and if you are outside my door, I am calling the police, and your butt's going to jail. So I actually used a different word, but I want to keep my channel as clean as possible. But yeah, those calls are so freaking annoying. I don't know how many times I can tell them that my houses are for sale to take my name off the list. It's just so frustrating that I need another swallow of coffee. And that is actually the first coffee I've had in the last 3 days because I just haven't felt good enough to drink any. So anyway, things are going okay. I'm just waiting for all the loose ends to be tied up and for the time to come for them to get here to transport me. So I think I'm pressing my luck by talking this long, so I will sign off and I will let you guys see my room when I get moved and if everything quiets down. So I will talk to you guys later on today. Bye. Okay guys, here's a quick look at my room. It actually is a nice room. And over here I have my own refrigerator. There's a wheelchair over there. There's my oxygen thing here. A desk and a dresser. Now right there's the bathroom. So it is a really nice room. I'll show you more in the morning. I am really pleased with the room. I had a rough time with dining services because what they brought me I couldn't eat with my sore mouth, and with my diet the way it is, it was a sausage, which I knew I couldn't chew, and some kind of vegetable dish that was maybe 1.5 bites if you stretched it. There was no way I could eat that. They brought me a scoop of mashed potatoes, which I did eat. I was still really hungry, so they did finally bring me an applesauce and a pudding, which helped. But we'll see what happens when they work with the kitchen, which they said they're trying to do now. I may have to use my Kroger card since I have the refrigerator and get some cottage cheese and some things that I know I can chew. So I'm going to sign this video off. I'll do more tomorrow, but y'all, it's been a long day. I'm tired. So right now I got a splitting headache. I think everything just all caught up with me. So I will end this by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.